Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to create a course on Payhip. So to get started with a straightforward and an honest guide on how you can simply create a course on Payhip. So to get started, on step one, you have to log into your Payhip account or probably go to the website and sign in into your account using the website, which is payhip.com, then sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then in step two, you have to click on product in the top menu. So on the dashboard, click product and then choose add product. Then after that, you have to click on course when asked what type of product you want to create. Then to enter the basic course information, you have to enter the course title, the price. You can set it to be free or paid. Then after that, you also have to add the course description. Then after that, add a interactive image for your course to make it visually appealing. Then create a modules, which is a chapter or section to build your course curriculum. So inside each modules, add a lesson, which is video, test, files, quiz, and all of that. Then after that, you have to set an access option. So to set this, decide if your course is a drip feed or a scheduled or all content are available instantly. So after that, you have to, once you are happy with everything, hit the publish to make your course go live. So you will now get a course URL you can share anywhere. Payhip also handle payment access and the student log all in one place. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this and how you think this can help you sell your digital skills on Payhip. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.